Today, we're going to be joined by NASA Deputy Administrator Pam Milroy. We're just quivering in our captain's chairs.
Colonel, U.S. Air Force Colonel, retired Pam Milroy. Space Shuttle Commander
Well,
Pam
I was
Milroy.
getting there.
Very exciting stuff.
Previously on TWiT. This week in space.
This is not about the moon. It's not about Mars. It's actually about a sustained human presence and responsible exploration throughout the solar system. This is what I believe the American people wants from us.
iOS Today.
We are going to talk about third-party apps for the Apple Vision Pro.
As a big Beat Saber fan, this is another thing that is just selling me on the Apple Vision Pro.
Coming up next on a very special dark mode edition of HandsOn Windows, we're going to take a look at a new feature in Windows 11 23H2 called Dynamic Lighting.
It is time to get geeky about some Linux news and tips. It's the Untitled Linux Show. Let's talk about why you should be using KDE instead of GNOME and why you should be using Fedora instead of Ubuntu.
This week in Google.
How about the unsettling scourge of obituary spam?
Well, I just went to Gemini and I said, write my obituary. It comes back and says, unfortunately, I don't have enough information to write a comprehensive and respectful obituary for you, Jeff.
ChatGPT did not have such scruples. Leo Laporte, a pioneering broadcaster and tech journalist widely celebrated for his instrumental role in demystifying technology for millions, passed away at the age of insert age on insert date.
If you missed TWiT this week, you missed a lot.
Laporte's legacy is not just the content he created,
Leo.
but in the community he built. Let me copy this. This is fantastic.
We miss him already.
I got like 10
R.I.P. Leo.
paragraphs, baby. This is good.